Most students think algebra or linear equations are hard. But today, I'm going to prove that algebra is actually very easy when you solve it step by step. In this video, we'll solve a couple of algebra questions, and I'll explain every single step slowly so even beginners can understand. Make sure to watch till the end because the last question is slightly challenging. Let's begin. Let's solve this equation step by step. Question 1. Our goal is to isolate x, meaning we want x alone on one side of the equation. Because plus 7 is added to x, we remove it by subtracting 7. Whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other side. After subtracting 7, we are left with 3x equals 18. Now, x is multiplied by 3, so we divide both sides by 3. So the value of x is 6. Final answer. Question 2. Solve for x. We have to bring x terms to one side. So, step 1, subtract 2x from both sides. Whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other side. After simplify, we have here. Now we will add 4 to both sides just like before. We have this equation. Simplify it. So we have here. Dividing both sides by 3, therefore, we have final answer, x equals 5. If you understood these questions, congratulations! You already understand algebra better than most students. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step math lessons. Comment below if you want harder questions or exam-level problems. Thanks for watching.